Welcome to Vinray's Academy. This is Vinay. In today's video, we're diving into UX testing for beginners. We'll cover what UX testing is, why it matters, and how you can use it to improve user experience in your software applications. Let's get started. UX testing, or user experience testing, is the process of evaluating how users interact with a product or software to ensure it meets their needs and provides a positive experience. This type of testing focuses on aspects such as usability, functionality, and user satisfaction. UX testing aims to uncover pain points, confusing interfaces, and other barriers that prevent users from having a seamless interaction with your software. By understanding these user interactions, you can make informed design improvements that align with user expectations and behavior. UX testing goes beyond finding bugs. It's about creating an enjoyable, efficient experience for users that keeps them engaged and returning. UX testing is crucial because it ensures that users can easily navigate and engage with your application. A poor user experience can lead to frustration, decreased usage, and lower retention rates. Studies have shown that users are less likely to return to an application if they have a bad experience, which can impact your product's reputation and revenue. By investing in UX testing, you can improve user satisfaction, boost brand loyalty, and create products that stand out in a competitive market. Remember, a well designed user experience is not just an added feature, it's essential for long term success. An investment in UX testing is an investment in your product's future. There are various types of UX testing to consider, each offering unique insights. Usability testing observes how easily users can complete specific tasks and identifies points of friction. A B testing compares two versions of a page or feature to see which performs better in terms of user engagement or conversion. Surveys and feedback collects direct input from users about their experience, helping you understand user sentiment and preferences. Heat maps and click tracking visualizes where users click most on your page, revealing popular and overlooked areas of your interface. Each of these testing methods provides valuable information that helps refine the user experience, ensuring that users find your application intuitive and easy to use. Combining multiple types of UX testing can provide a well rounded understanding of user behavior. Planning a successful UX test involves several steps. 1. Define your goals. Identify what you want to achieve with the test, such as improving navigation or increasing task completion rates. 2. Choose your participants. Select participants who reflect your target audience to ensure relevant feedback. 3. Select the right tools. Depending on the type of test, choose tools that suit your needs, such as session recording software or survey platforms. 4. Develop tasks for participants. Create realistic tasks that mimic real user interactions, such as completing a purchase or finding specific information. 5. Set up recording and observation. Capture user interactions and feedback through screen recordings and observation to facilitate thorough analysis. A well planned test helps uncover actionable insights that can lead to significant improvements in user experience. Always ensure participants feel comfortable and provide honest feedback to make the test as effective as possible. When conducting a UX test, it's important to provide clear, concise instructions, but avoid guiding participants too much. This ensures that their behavior reflects a genuine interaction with your application. Let users explore the interface naturally while you observe their actions, noting any areas where they pause, struggle, or express confusion. Encourage participants to think out loud, sharing their thoughts as they complete tasks. This helps you gain deeper insights into their decision making process and identify potential areas for improvement. Record the session if possible to enable detailed analysis later. Engaging with participants during and after the test by asking clarifying questions can also add valuable qualitative data to your results. After the testing phase, the next step is to analyze the data collected. Start by reviewing qualitative feedback to identify recurring themes, such as issues with navigation, unclear labels, or confusing layouts. Categorize feedback into actionable areas like usability improvements, visual design tweaks, and content adjustments. Quantitative data, such as task completion times and error rates, should be paired with qualitative insights for a comprehensive analysis. This combined approach allows you to prioritize changes that will have the most significant impact on user experience. Always remember to involve your team in the analysis phase to gain diverse perspectives and ideas. Sharing results with stakeholders and discussing potential changes can facilitate a collaborative approach to improving the user experience. During UX testing, there are several common issues to watch for, including confusing navigation. Users may struggle to find what they need if the layout is unclear or overly complex. Overcomplicated processes, tasks that require too many steps can frustrate users and lead to abandonment. Unclear labels and buttons. If users are unsure what a button or label does, it creates hesitation and potential errors. Lack of mobile optimization. With the growing use of mobile devices, a poor mobile experience can alienate a significant portion of your audience. Identifying and addressing these issues early can drastically improve the usability and satisfaction of your application. Keep an eye on these potential problem areas and consider running multiple rounds of testing to ensure they are fully resolved. To get the most out of UX testing, follow these best practices. Start small. Begin by testing a prototype or wireframe to catch major issues early. Iterative testing. Conduct regular testing at different stages of development to continuously refine the user experience. Keep it simple, design straightforward tasks for participants, and avoid overwhelming them with complex scenarios. Include diverse participants. Ensure you test with users from varied backgrounds and experiences to gather a wide range of feedback. Document findings. Thoroughly maintain clear records of feedback and test outcomes to inform future design decisions and iterations. Act on feedback. Promptly implement changes based on findings as soon as possible to keep your development process moving forward. Following these best practices can help you build a user friendly product that meets user expectations and drives engagement. Remember, consistent testing and refinement are key to staying aligned with user needs. There are many tools available to facilitate UX testing, each with unique features to meet different needs. Hotjar provides heat maps, session recordings, and feedback collection. Usertesting.com connects you with real users who can provide video feedback on their interactions with your product. Google Optimize, a powerful tool for running A/B tests to compare different versions of your site or app. Maze offers user testing, prototype testing, and in-depth analytics perfect for iterative feedback. Lookback facilitates live user testing and interview recordings. Choosing the right tool depends on your project requirements, budget, and the type of feedback you're looking to gather. Consider combining tools for a more comprehensive testing strategy that covers different aspects of UX. The right tool mix can enhance your insights and help you make well informed design decisions. Consider this Real-world example. A popular e-commerce site implemented UX testing and discovered that users were abandoning their carts due to a complicated checkout process. By simplifying the checkout steps, adding clear progress indicators, and reducing the number of required fields, they reduced cart abandonment by 30% and increased conversion rates. This example highlights how UX testing can directly impact user satisfaction, retention, and overall business success. It shows that even small changes based on user feedback can lead to substantial improvements. Another example involves a mobile app that adjusted its onboarding process after testing revealed users were confused by too much initial information. Simplifying the flow led to higher engagement and retention rates. These real life cases demonstrate that UX testing can significantly contribute to a product's success. Let's recap the key takeaways. UX testing focuses on understanding and improving user interactions with your application. Various methods, such as usability testing, A/B testing, and heat maps, provide different insights into user behavior. Proper planning, conducting unbiased tests, and thorough analysis are essential for effective UX testing. Using specialized tools can streamline the process and yield valuable feedback. Continuous improvement based on user input ensures your product evolves to meet user needs and expectations. By applying these insights and best practices, you can create products that offer an outstanding user experience and keep your users engaged. Thank you for joining us at Vinray's Academy for this beginner's guide to UX testing. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert content on software testing, user experience, and QA best practices. See you in the next video.